Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add WooCommerce to your website. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, you will need simply just to go to the WooCommerce website and simply click on Get Started. So by clicking on Get Started, you will need to follow these uh, options or these steps, and basically we need just to choose anything while you are choosing WooCommerce. So here I'm just going to here, and basically now you will need to choose the hosting that you are using. Either you are using Bluehost, Hostinger, or any hosting page. So now if you are using WordPress, you can simply click on wordpress.com, and then it will take you to the page where you can start adding your WooCommerce with your website. So here you can click on get started with WooCommerce, and then you will need simply to go to the plugins. And since I'm using a local WooCommerce, I can go to plugin and click on add new plugin, and from there you will need just to search for WooCommerce. So basically now you will need just to search for the WooCommerce plugin, and then you will be able to add it and it will start showing here in your website. So basically by having the WooCommerce plugin or add-on, I will be able to have these stores, etc. Or if you have any other or any other kind of hostings, for example Bluehost, you will need just to click on the Bluehost, and then you will need just to continue and click, for example, on start your store. Depends on the hosting that you are using with your website. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.